Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and more specifically, welcome to our new series of videos called Web Dev Simplified. Throughout these next videos in this playlist, we will be learning all about web development in bite-sized pieces. So whether you're a complete beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this series is designed to make web development easy and enjoyable. In this very first video, we'll be diving into the fundamentals of web development, talking a little bit about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and by the end of the series, you'll be confidently creating web pages and playing around with interactivity with them as well. So let's kick things off with an introduction to the exciting realm of web development. So what is web development? Web development is the process of creating websites and web applications that can be accessed over the internet. It involves a combination of various skills, technologies, and languages to design, build, and maintain websites that are functional, user-friendly, and visually appealing. Web development can be broadly categorized into three main components. You have the front end, and this involves creating the user interface and user experience of a website. Front-end developers usually use technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build the visual and interactive elements that users see and interact with. Then you have the back end, and this consists of the server database and the logic that makes the website work. Back-end developers use programming languages like Python, Ruby, PHP, and frameworks like Django, Ruby on Rails, and Express.js to build the server-side functionality. And this includes handling data, managing user accounts, processing forms, and interacting with databases. Full-stack developers are proficient in both front-end and back-end development, and they have the skills to create an entire web application from start to finish, handling both the user interface and the underlying server-side logic. Web development also encompasses various other technologies and concepts like responsive web design, APIs, security, performance optimization, and version control. Web development is a dynamic and ever-evolving field with new technologies and trends emerging regularly. It requires continuous learning and adaptation to stay up to date with the latest tools and practices. So why is web development even important? It's important for a variety of reasons, and its significance has grown immensely in the modern digital landscape. Some key reasons include a good online presence, because in today's internet-connected world, having a strong online presence is crucial for businesses and organizations and individuals. A well-designed website or web application serves as a virtual storefront, enabling you to showcase your products, services, or ideas to a global audience 24/7. Websites provide a platform for effective communication and information sharing. They allow you to convey your message, share updates, and provide resources to your target audience easily and efficiently. Web development enables the creation of e-commerce platforms, making it possible for businesses to sell products and services online. This expands market reach and revenue potential by tapping into a broader customer base. A well-designed website with a user-friendly interface enhances the user experience. Providing a smooth, intuitive navigation experience can positively impact user engagement, retention, and overall satisfaction. Websites are accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, enabling users to access information, services, and resources regardless of their location, and this kind of accessibility fosters convenience and inclusivity as well. Web developers also allow for incorporation of interactive elements like forms, surveys, quizzes, and social media integration. These features engage users and encourage them to interact with the content as well. Web development provides a canvas for creativity and innovation as well. Developers can experiment with new technologies, design trends, and functionalities to create unique and memorable online experiences. And they can also gather valuable user data, and that helps businesses understand their audience preferences and behaviors. This data can then be used to refine marketing strategies and improve user experience. A lot of educational institutions and individuals can create learning platforms online, tutorials, and resources to facilitate remote learning and skill developing across the globe. And websites can foster online communities and forums, allowing people with common interests to connect, share ideas, and collaborate. The internet has unlimited geographical boundaries, enabling businesses and individuals to reach a global audience without the need for physical presence. And web development offers numerous career opportunities. Skilled developers as well are in demand across various industries, including technology, e-commerce, media, healthcare, finance, and lots more. And lastly, the field of web development is constantly evolving with new technologies, frameworks, and tools emerging regularly. This dynamic nature encourages continuous learning and growth. In summary, web development plays a pivotal role in modern communication, business growth, innovation, and accessibility. Its impact spans various aspects of our personal and professional lives, making it an essential skill in our industry. So that wraps up our quick introduction into web development. I hope you have a clear understanding of what's in store for this series. Remember, each video will focus on a specific topic. In our next video, we'll talk about the differences between front-end and back-end development, and we will also touch on topics like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if you have any questions or other topics you'd like to cover, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Thank you for joining, and we'll see you in the next video as we delve deeper into the world of coding and creativity. See you in the next one.